A lot of us have loved ones off at college, and tonight we're looking into renewed concerns about COVID spreading both on and off campus. New here at 10, Erica Proffer takes a deep dive into how Texas college towns are responding to the risk.
It doesn't matter which college you visit, you're likely to hear this.
It's just been so nice just to leave my apartment and walk to a physical building and actually have a professor to look at who's not on a screen.
People like Josh Martin have a big responsibility.
Now I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of what the classrooms are looking like now.
He's a senior on campus at Baylor University in Waco.
So I had symptoms for about 24 hours.
He says it felt like a brief cold, took a COVID-19 test, then lost taste and smell while he waited for results.
I found out 8 days later that I had COVID, which was a weird kind of call to get because I lost symptoms.
But could pass on the virus.
That's the biggest challenge.
Dr. Angela Clendenin teaches risk communication and decision analysis at Texas A&M.
It's really hard to convince a college student not to go out and have fun when they don't feel bad.
Many universities in Texas make up a large chunk of the city's population.
I think the big thing that's different between a smaller community versus a metropolitan area is resources.
Resources for mitigation and hospital capacity should someone in the community get too sick. Clendenin spaces students in her class by these dots on the chair, one color per class.
And there are one-way signs on the ground inside buildings.
A&M tests students at random and sets up some classes outside. Baylor requires each student to have a negative COVID-19 test before going on campus.
They sent us all these little packets.
And that didn't offer full protection. A week into the semester, the university shut down 2 residential floors after a COVID-19 outbreak. Many universities and colleges have a COVID-19 reporting dashboard. It shows parents, students, and the community about the spread of COVID-19 on campus. In Lubbock, as of September 7th, Texas Tech shows 626 active positive cases. The Texas State's roadmap shows 318 total since March. Texas A&M, 956 since August. And UT Austin showing 623 cases since March.
Responding to a novel illness is not a perfect science. And basically, we're trying to learn how to fly a plane when its wheels up off the ground.
All of the safety measures.
Martin relates his actions to his faith. He may no longer be contagious, but still wears a mask and keeps his distance.
When you navigate it through the lens of loving one another, which Christ says is the greatest commandment, it becomes a much kind of easier thing to do.
I'm Erica Proffer.